Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Monday, December 23rd, where we simplify market intelligence for you daily. Markets kicked off the holiday week in positive territory, with the S&P 500 rising 0.56% to 6,873. The standout story was gold smashing through to a record 4,442 US dollars per ounce, capping a stunning 70% gain over the past year as investors hedge against dollar weakness and global uncertainty. Oil prices jumped sharply after the U.S. Coast Guard seized Venezuelan tankers, raising supply concerns. Meanwhile, Fed Governor Moran suggested smaller 25 basis point rate moves ahead, signaling a more cautious approach to monetary policy. While the broader market struggled, several tech giants bucked the trend. Warner Brothers Discovery surged 3.44% as Oracle founder Larry Ellison personally guaranteed 40.4 billion US dollars for Paramount's takeover bid. Oracle itself climbed 3.01% after Wells Fargo set a bold 280 US dollar price target, calling it significantly undervalued. Nvidia gained 1.37% on news it will ship H200 AI chips to China before Lunar New Year. Alphabet added 0.86%, acquiring data center company Intersect for 4.75 billion US dollars to boost AI capacity. Apple dipped 1.03% despite reports of AI-powered smart glasses planned for late 2026. Today's chart reveals a striking parallel to the year 2000. Global defensive sectors, consumer staples, healthcare, and utilities have hit their lowest market cap share since that pivotal year. Back then, this defensive low marked the exact peak for TMT stocks, both in absolute and relative terms. History may not repeat, but it often rhymes. For investors, this suggests we're potentially at an inflection point where growth-heavy positioning could face headwinds, while overlooked defensive plays might finally find their moment. The question isn't if rotation happens, but when. Looking ahead to a shortened holiday week, Tuesday brings three critical data points: the final reading on third-quarter GDP, the Fed's preferred inflation measure, and consumer confidence. All three will shape expectations for what the Fed does in January and beyond. Be mindful of early market closes Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time and full closure Thursday for Christmas. Thin trading volumes could trigger volatility spikes on minimal news. Also, watch geopolitical risks, particularly the Venezuela oil blockade, which could escalate quickly and impact energy markets. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.